Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the world, and often the issue is a buildup of plaque in the arteries called atherosclerosis.
But a new drug candidate developed by researchers at the University of Michigan is showing promise for treating this condition as well as fatty liver disease. I took a road trip to Ann Arbor to find out how it works. They may have medical researcher or professor on their badge, but perhaps calling them problem solvers would work as well.
There's very exciting research being done.
Because when there is a problem,
more than 1/3 of the people have fatty liver disease.
they find the solution.
We didn't have any effective drug to treating fatty liver disease at this moment.
This is Dr. Eugene Chen, a professor of cardiovascular medicine at University of Michigan. He and his team have discovered a drug candidate that can treat fatty liver disease. They published that study in 2023, and now they've discovered the same drug candidate can also treat plaque buildup in arteries. That's called atherosclerosis.
We identified the compound is able to reduce vascular calcification, which is one of the major driving promoter for arterial stiffness and also for plaque instability.
The drug candidate is a tripeptide, so 3 amino acids. It's being called DT-109, and it's currently being tested on different animal species in the lab.
Well, it's really exciting that small changes in the gut can increase, result in huge changes in cardiovascular health.
Atherosclerosis is an underlying cause of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide.
I think that it would have a huge impact.
Dr. Barbara Karenko knows the effects of this firsthand.
I am one of the doctors that they call when someone comes in having a heart attack.
She's an interventional cardiologist at U of M Health West. She explains atherosclerosis can be mitigated and prevented with regular exercise, healthy diets, and non-smoking. But not everyone implements these changes at a young enough age.
And if we could come up with a magic wand to try and stabilize that or even reverse it, that it would have a big impact not only on our general health, but in reducing health costs in the population.
It's the 18th generation.
Yeah, 18th generation.
Back at the lab, the team is completing safety studies, which will then be submitted to the FDA. The hope is DT-109 can greatly treat atherosclerosis and fatty liver disease in the future.
Right now, we have a drug candidate and it's able to function as a potential drug to treating both disease. This is highly significant.
The next step for the drug candidate is a human clinical trial, which Dr. Chen says they hope to do soon.